Want to unlock higher levels and more visibility on Fiverr? The level system rewards consistent, high-quality sellers. In this video, I'll break down exactly how to earn each level. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Fiverr levels are updated monthly based on your performance over a 60-day evaluation period. To move from new seller to level 1, you need 60 days on the platform, complete 10 orders, and maintain a 4.7-star rating. Level 2 requires more orders, a higher income, and a 4.8-star rating. Top-rated seller is the pinnacle, chosen by Fiverr for exceptional service, high earnings, and consistent excellence. A crucial pro tip: focus on your order completion rate. This is the most commonly missed requirement. Avoid cancellations at all costs. If a buyer asks for a cancellation, politely offer a revision instead. A high completion rate is non-negotiable for leveling up. And just like that, you have a clear roadmap to climb the Fiverr ladder. Earning levels unlocks more gig slots, better visibility, and advanced features. Which Fiverr level are you currently targeting? For your final question, subscribe for our next video on how to get Fiverr badges. Thanks for watching.